Hello guys, welcome to the Programming Minds. We are going to start new series on data structures and algorithms, and we will be explaining all implementation using C++ programming language. So this is the introductory video for series, and as well as we will introduce the data structures and algorithms to you. So let's get started. So let's understand what is data structures. So data structure is an art of storing a data. If we need to store any data, we will use data structures. Okay, that's why it is an art of storing a data. Data structure is a specialized format for organizing, processing, retrieving, and storing a data. This is the format. Data structure is format we are using for organizing the data. You can organize data using data structures. For processing data, we can do different processes on data by using data structure. Retrieving and storing data, we can retrieve any data from the data structures and we can use it for the storing data as well. So data structures are the programmatic way of storing data so that data can be used efficiently. So yeah, this is the programmatic way. We have defined that data structures as a programmatic way, which is the way of storing data so that can be used efficiently. If we use data structures for storing a data, then we can use it efficiently. Okay, so almost every software uses data structure for data management. In the software industry, every company, every software that uses the data structure for data management. Okay, so following the data structures, we are going to learn, and we will be learning implementation using C++ programming language. First we will learn array, then we will implement array using C++ programming language. Then we will learn what is stack. We will learn the behavior of stack, and then we will learn the implementation of stack using C++ programming language. So then we will be learning queue, then linked list, binary tree, binary search tree. Then we will learn what is graph, and we will do the implementation of graph using C++ programming language in the upcoming videos of that series. Okay, so let's go to algorithms now. So let's understand algorithms. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure used to solve any problem in data structures. So if there are any problem in data structure, we will be using algorithms to solve that problem. Okay. So algorithms are independent of any programming language. So it is independent. Algorithms can be used in any programming language like C++, Java, Python, and but in this series we are going to learn algorithms using C++ programming language. So following are the some algorithms used in any programming language. Okay, any programming language uses that following algorithms. So for searching, to search any element in any data, we can use algorithm. For sorting, to sort elements in a list. If we have let's take example that we have unsorted array, so we can sort it in ascending or descending order by using sorting algorithms. So we will be using inserting also to insert element in a list. We will understand deleting also to delete any element from the any data structure, and we will be understanding updating algorithms also to update any data in stack or queue and linked list, or we can do it in graph, we can do it in trees. Okay, so we are going to understand following algorithms using C++, as well as we will understand the theory also. So we will going to understand searching algorithms as following. So we will understand the linear search algorithm and binary search algorithm. Then we will go to the sorting algorithms, and we will understand selection sort algorithm. We will understand insertion sort algorithm, bubble sort algorithm, merge sort algorithm, and quick sort algorithm. So we will understand theory of it. We will go through every step and understand how it's work, how it start, how it stop, and then this all implementation we will going to understand by using C++ programming language. I will be explaining every code for that algorithms and data structures. So this is the most important part of every programming language nowadays for the implementation of data structures and algorithms, and every interviewer of every company is asking for data structures and algorithms now. So this playlist will help you to grow in the software industry. Okay, so if you like this video, you can subscribe to this Programming Minds YouTube channel, and thank you.